you weather? Where could the way what you weather? Oh my head, another.
Guys, it's not easy. Yes, you guys can say, give me, please, can you give me a small? No. Let those people that sell Omareo there put their price. Because the way of making Omareo, guys, it's not a joke. It's really not a joke. Of water, but this water is enough. I'm just gonna get half of it. So I think the milk is just basically going to separate the DB. Guys, sorry. So I add the water to separate the DB. Matuka. Oh, yeah, well, basically, oh, the matuka is very fun. Yeah, oh, basically it, guys. Like I say, it's not easy, it's not walking in the park to make a traditional butter, but it is healthy though. It's a healthiest butter that you can cook with, that you can, use it at home. It is healthy though, comparing to those sunflower cooking well or other butter, rama, you name it. This is the best, guys. It's a must have. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye. Okay. Andakushitenga ngunamba hatwa mumi ambe muraitire obongo ndividaro ouno titi na imo munuko kushaya ya shito bino bi binenenu. The balls are now too big comparing to before. So yeah uto basically oku kutirana bana tuno bana shaveno omatuka. Yeah, stay tuned guys. Ngombe yangu kuramba na ingunda ngondivi ngunda ngondivi ambe ni konguro oshikandela to ngapishi ndio natuka makandela wana vivre mara ngondi hanji ngondivi njime rwa mushemere mungwana aituku rukwa no humuka yashima muhuko shima yiva kina wa askola hime patruka ndio ngombe to ngombe no hamjiro ndio shile tutisa mnasho byungura nimba munu jo byungura nese ko sondiru mwana mtu hara tu spila mukatu turama mukatu kama kaporonga uri jo mathere bari tebe hukuri rekodi to obyungura uri shile hivo mtu no mukambure ndoko
Kinga.
Let's buy three. Where na you name? Nena kutika ina kwa. Shit.
Be, bomulo shindra majinanu. Fatoma ho katore ho.
Okay, iwi omungwindi. Yashima mufa mu muti wenu munjupa na oshebere ko kushabi mamu fa mu nge mutirikana nga mufa mu mitishika amatuka yakashato ururu no.
Jona. Kailize mjungu.
Ngunda niyo muti mu beste. Mungwindi. Mungwindi. Ngorewati ya ruramo. Nose konye mga pawa bigita mwe kuno matuka. Kinga kaito karija. Yo matuka mo pebilo muntu. Wanasha yukisa ngombe.
Kaito karija kapi. Tepin bon.
Kaito karija mgotu no kana kushi. Yep, it's basically not a yoga, kind of a oshikandela, plain oshikandela. So the guru shall do those for come out in water. Put the drink over any flavor, banana flavor or strawberry or raspberry or whatever the case may be. I'm going to be coming from now. Kama kwa kapito maere. Sasa mimi ndio nataka smooth.
Ambapo ya ruga mama hao.
Very nice man. Yeah? Love it indeed.
That was the process, right? I'm going to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Put in the comment guys. Now you're going to have more.
Guys, I'm all.
Okay, we are preparing for day 2. Kama tu ada mkae merekaro no. Atutuku orisha ngapi? Orisha ini. Alright guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Nice.
Okay.
Karurehiano matukanu omawa omasmutha kamaruru omawa mafresha na viuri singambo sho hena maihi omathemba pakera ndino ndi upakere muhuka o kala no matukangonga omaihi akariro mo baitatu yanika yatukwa hekera at least atubati no ndi batupakere muhuka tupakere rukwao orisha ibandingina tutuku ogusha natutwamo shwa kanda nawa mupakere okaemere alo litera ngapi ngena mbali tuwake tutwamo litera ngapi mapakere mo litera ngapi maihinga kasinga ngena keno litera ngapi ngo yanga ino shero mengi twamo litera ngaino ndano nawo maihi shio twamo mbali no ndipo imwe muhuka weather kwa shupo twamo maiho mengi opu kakara no made ngondivi nyingi narieka ko shinyongeli. Alright guys, that was it. Matuko banashe vanu vekuta yashata avehe vanuri